In today's video, I'm going to teach you a couple of handy keyboard shortcuts that enable you to quickly open Microsoft Excel with just the press of a few keys. This can be incredibly helpful for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and save time, especially if you frequently use Excel and want to access it without the usual clicks and navigation. Let's dive into these shortcuts and see how they can work for you. The first method uses the taskbar, a feature that's probably familiar to most Windows users. To take advantage of this shortcut, you'll need to have Microsoft Excel already pinned to your taskbar. For those who haven't pinned it yet, it's a simple process. Just find Excel in your Start menu, right-click, and choose the option to pin it to the taskbar. Once you have Excel pinned, take note of its position in the lineup of icons. Let's say Excel is the third app pinned on your taskbar. To open it instantly using your keyboard, you merely need to press the Windows key along with the number 3. This combination will immediately launch Excel. It's worth remembering that the number you press should correspond to the position of Excel on your taskbar, so it might be different depending on your setup. This method is incredibly quick and straightforward, ideal for those moments when you need to launch Excel in a jiffy without taking your hands off the keys. Now, let's explore another intriguing method, utilizing the Microsoft 365 Office Hub shortcut. This is less known, but equally powerful. With this shortcut, you have access to a hub where all your Office applications reside, allowing you to choose which one to open. This method requires pressing a combination of keys that may feel a bit like a finger workout, but it grants you access to more than just Excel. Simply press Windows plus Control plus Alt plus Shift simultaneously. This impressive key combination will bring up the Office Hub. Once you've accessed the hub, you can effortlessly select Excel to launch it from this central location. This option is particularly useful if you are someone who works with multiple Office applications, as it centralizes your access point, making it a convenient one-stop shop for launching everything from Word to PowerPoint and, of course, Excel. The visibility of all these apps in one place can help streamline your process and offers a bird's-eye view of your available tools. Both shortcuts are effective in their own right and can cater to different preferences depending on your workflow habits. Whether you choose the taskbar method or favor the Office Hub route, you'll find both of these handy shortcuts can significantly enhance your efficiency and improve your overall productivity in using Microsoft Excel. So go ahead, try them out, see which one fits seamlessly into your routine, and enjoy a faster, more intuitive way to work with Excel.